Hey guys, it's Chevy here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I built this pallet bed frame made by hand from scratch. All my blood, my sweat, and my tears went into this bed frame, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm not going to lie, I had a little bit of a mini meltdown, right? Because as soon as I finished making this bed frame, y'all, my phone turned off. And sometimes I like to record on my phone. So the whole phone turned off, y'all. As soon as I pressed done, like done recording, it turned off. So I lost my entire mind. I called my boyfriend like crying. So hard, I'm not kidding, because I thought that the video was gone and I was like, what the why did I do all of this then? There was no use. But after I finished freaking out, I looked back on my phone and there it was. So, if you guys want to watch how I made this DIY pallet bed frame, please keep watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that button, turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. And do not forget to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. All of my social medias are going to be linked down below, guys. Before I even start rambling, let's just get into the video because I'm excited.
So guys, I know you must be wondering why exactly I'm making another pallet bed frame when I've already done so. Maybe a year ago I made one. But I have moved into my very first apartment and I think I just needed a new one, you know, new place, new bed frame. I have to mention that I'm sick as a dog right now, so pardon my sniffles. I'm going to be coughing in a few too, so just ignore it, okay? I took some leave, it's fine. So here I'm just making sure that these four pieces of wood are the same length apart from each other, or like somewhat the same length, because you know I'm not Bob the Builder, even though I really want to be. But I'm using my little tape measure. I'm not sure what any of my numbers are, honestly, but I just know that a queen size bed is 80 feet by 60 feet. And I did my little dimensions based on that, but also based on how I wanted the pallet bed frame itself to sit, where I wanted my mattress to sit on it, how big around I wanted it, and if I wanted like any hang time, you know. And I did. So I will probably put all of my dimensions and stuff on the screen, or maybe in the description box, or both. I'm going in, guys, and like drilling holes before I even put the screws in there. I feel like, I don't know, it makes it go in so much smoother, so much quicker. And guys, this really only took me like 3 hours, and I feel like the 3 hours included like, you know, setting up for the lights and like just because I had someone watching me, you know. I feel like if I was doing it by myself, I would have done it so much quicker, but you guys will do it quicker, so it's all good. I did this for you. You're welcome. So if anybody is interested in seeing where I got my inspiration for making this pallet bed frame, I'll link below the video I watched here on YouTube of a girl basically building the same exact thing I am, but I did a couple of things differently in mine. So I'm going to link that down below, so maybe you can get in some inspiration from that as well. I'm also going to link down below my video I made a year ago. It's totally interesting to see all of the differences in this one and that one, because in the last one I made a year ago, I used actual pallets and I used wood glue to put the whole thing together. So this time I'm using actual nails. So let's see the differences, and I hope y'all get some inspirations to make your pallet bed frame. So all of the wood that you guys are seeing here I got from Lowe's, and it didn't take very long at all for me to get these pieces. I just went there. I actually like laid out everything on the floor, and an employee helped me measure everything out. And yep, I just knew the size of my queen size bed and like how much hang time I wanted, or around how much hang time I wanted, and I had it cut for me, and I went and picked it up the very next day. Okay, but how adorable do I look drilling these little holes? I am such a Bob the Builder. Look at my little toolbox over there, y'all, my little hammer. So the color wood stain I got is in ebony, and it took me a lot longer than I'd like to admit to even pick out the color, just because I wanted to keep my room like kind of the same kind of color, same kind of theme. And also I'm gonna be adding on some kind of like side tables, but not really side tables. I'm gonna make like some hanging shelves to go right next to my bed to serve as a bedside table for both sides. I'm gonna use the wood that I got trimmed from all of these pieces, and so I won't have to spend any more money. So that should be a really, really cool project. And if you guys want to see that, y'all just let me know, because I'm gonna do it anyway. So yep. Also, just a quick tip, so you're not like me and regret this automatically, please wear some gloves, y'all. I don't know why, I'm just so always underprepared for anything. I could plan everything for weeks and I'll still forget something. I forgot gloves, and I also forgot maybe like something to put under this so it doesn't stain my wood. Because guess what, guys? I stained my wood. Not the wood, but my wood floors. Okay, but I can get it off. So just for you, make sure you get some gloves and make sure you have something under this so you don't stain your wood like I'm currently doing right now at this moment. But that's all right, guys. I made the mistake, so you don't have to. As per usual, I like to do things half-assed, LOL. So I'm not gonna be staining the part that you won't be seeing because it'll be covered by my mattress. So I'm probably gonna finish like right around here and let that puppy dry for an hour. So guys, that's pretty much how I made this DIY pallet bed frame by hand. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Don't forget to watch the linked videos down below. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Bob the Builder, signing out.